Hey ladies, Pandi here of Pandi's Hair Candy and More. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. If we are already chat family, welcome back. As you can tell by the thumbnail, this is yet another affordable wig unboxing. Yes, this time I am coming to you all from the Outre Melted Hairline collection. This is a synthetic lace front wig with full lace frontal effects. It has a 2x5 inch deluxe wide lace part. I have it in the color 1B, which is the natural black. And it can take heat up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. If you want to tune in and see the full review of this video, make sure that you are subscribed to the channel, that you have double tapped the notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time new content is uploaded to the channel. And if you have not already done so, make sure that you blow dry on that like button, as I greatly appreciate it. Thanks again for stopping by. You all stay safe, stay encouraged, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.